So we really like the growth in Florida. We've been seeing it year after year. The rents increasing, the population increasing. The only thing is we couldn't find a good multifamily deal at a low basis. Everything was priced really high because obviously the market was really hot. What we did discover is we were able to find these distressed hotels where we were able to come in on a really low basis and then go through the rezoning process. And now we've been able to build a ton of equity in these multifamily deals and enter the Florida market. All right, we're here today at a hotel that we purchased back in December. Between October and December, we purchased 3 hotels and we're going to convert them to multifamily. So we went through the rezoning process before we actually purchased the property. We rezoned all 3 of them for multifamily, then closed on them, and now we're in the middle of construction. The purchase price for all 3 properties was right around $16 million. Our all-in cost is going to be roughly around $32 million, and then our stabilized value once we're done with the construction is going to be somewhere around $51 million or so. So we're building quite a bit of equity in these